the mountain's popular western side, the Ashford area features ideal accommodations for any visitor, from luxury family retreats to rustic base camps for exploring Mount Rainier. Built in 1912, Alexander's Country Inn is only 3 miles from the national park's main entrance. 12 guest rooms feature historic charm with all the modern amenities. Mounthaven Resort is a 7-acre forested retreat a half-mile from the park. 9 family-friendly cabins and 16 spacious RV sites in a relaxing natural environment. Jasmer's Cabins features private, romantic rentals throughout the Ashford area, with options including creek and mountain views, cozy fireplaces, and soothing hot tubs. At Stormking Spa Cabins, only a mile from the park entrance, couples enjoy private, luxurious cabins surrounded by evergreens with ready access to a host of spa services. Just south of Ashford, near beautiful Mineral Lake, Rainier Mountain Lodge is a hand-built cedar home with lodge-style accommodations on 15 acres of natural beauty, offering fly fishing ponds, wildlife viewing, and horse boarding. Inside the park, the National Park Inn at Longmire is a classic rustic retreat with cozy guest rooms, ready access to some of the region's best trails, full-service dining facilities, and a timeless view of the peak. Built in 1916, the recently renovated Paradise Inn is perched at 5,400 feet in the heart of the Paradise area of the park, with incredible trails and dramatic views in every direction.